Wow! Today we will take a view of ENC diamond dotted paper workshop. Let's see how to make diamond dotted paper with advanced and professional machines and production line. Amazing! Oh, the wrapping machine is busy to pack the products. We take tests of all the products with laboratory equipment to ensure the product quality and meet customer needs. The diamond dotted paper, also been known as epoxy adhesive diamond paper, diamond dotted press paper, double-sided diamond pattern paper, DDP, DPRCP, DDP, DPP, diamond dotted insulating paper, varnished paper, etc. It is to be used in oil as transformers for the insulation between coils. The diamond dotted paper will make the electric conductor as a hard unit, under the high temperature by its internal latency substance. Made of craft coated with heat-curable epoxy resin, the epoxy adhesive is applied to both sides of the paper in a diamond pattern consisting of 9.5 mm times 9.5 mm diamonds with 15.9 mm center spacing. The products will be sent to all over the world after finished the whole production and packing process.